Hey everyone! Want to know the secret to getting noticed on social media? It's all about hashtags. Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Ready? Let's go. So, what are hashtags? They're words or phrases with a hash symbol in front, like hash digital marketing or hash coffee lovers. They help people find posts about specific topics. Hashtags are super important because they make your posts discoverable. It's like adding keywords that help people find your content. The more relevant hashtags you use, the more people can find you. Every platform has its own hashtag culture. On Instagram, you can use up to 30 hashtags per post. On Twitter, 1 to 2 are best. TikTok? Get creative and trendy. To use hashtags effectively, do a little research. Check out what's trending or popular in your niche or industry. And remember, mix it up with a few broad and a few specific hashtags. Hashtags also help you join the conversation and engage with others. The right hashtags can boost your reach and engagement, helping your business grow. And that's the magic of hashtags. Easy, right? Start using them today to boost your social media game. Don't forget to like and follow for more tips.